Hello guys, welcome to the weekly vlog. Before you guys get in on me, I know I did kind of disappear for like a week, but I promise y'all it was not intentional. Like, it was all in the plan. It was just a little break, but I am back. And from the title of this weekly vlog, y'all can tell your girl is finally moving. Like, finally, this is my last time being in the wooden walls. Like, I promise y'all, but y'all seen it throughout this whole vlog. Like, this is my last time being here. I can also show y'all like the closet is empty. This is just my clothes for tomorrow, my work clothes, because I do have to work tomorrow. All I have here, oh, it's kind of dark, oh my god, but I just have my bed. Like, everything else is gone. I have to take this down, throw that out. Nothing's on my dresser. Like, it's officially time to hit the road. And well, I say hit the road, but it's officially time for us to move out. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and vlog this, mainly because I've been talking about this since January. It's finally happening, and like, I'm redoing my room. Probably have to get rid of a lot of stuff. I want to do a room transformation, but because I don't really remember the space and I did already kind of start buying stuff, it's like, I don't know. Like, if y'all want it, then sure, but like, I don't know. I'll probably do a room tour for sure, but yeah. Okay, so in the morning I do have class at 8 o'clock. After my class, I am going to start loading my car with a lot of my stuff because I do have to work tomorrow, like I said, and I kind of want to like go ahead and move all of my stuff into my room. Friday I'm off, so I will be going to shop for room decorations. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me, like the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So right now I'm just about to go take a shower, and I'm probably gonna work on a few assignments because, like I said, we'll be moving for the next 2 days. So I'm probably just do that, and then I'll just see you guys in the morning, bright and early. Make sure y'all are up at 8 o'clock, period. But yeah, make sure y'all up with me. Okay, let me stop playing around. We'll see y'all in the morning. All right, I hope y'all up this morning because it's 8:36 and Cute is wide awake. Like, we got the car all packed up. Like, this is really giving me move-in day vibes from college. So yes, y'all, the crazy thing is though, if y'all see my other videos, when I move in for school, I just have suitcases and stuff and like shoe boxes and everything, so I can squeeze a lot of stuff in. I was shocked that I got so many boxes in my car. Like, it does not look like a lot, y'all, but it is so many boxes. Most of it is my clothes and my shoes, because since I have to sit there and kind of wait for the people to come for like lights and all that stuff, I just brought my hangers, clothes and shoes, and I'm gonna start working on my closet. I honestly don't remember how my closet space looks. My grandparents walked through the other day, but I couldn't, so yeah, I really don't remember. So we're gonna see, but we're gonna start working on that so I can make sure my clothes are how I want it to be. You know, I got the usual up here: pillows, book bag, all that stuff. But as of right now, they're still not back yet with the key for me to go, so I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A and get me some breakfast. It's a great day, it's a great morning, like, yes. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. And oh, this thing is so out of focus, but I came to give y'all a little update. Apologies for how I look, but came to give y'all a little update. We are still moving. Like, we have so much stuff. We have my car, my cousin's car, my mom's car, my grandparents' 2 cars, that's 5, and a U-Haul. So yeah, I thought I was done with most of my stuff, but I still had a lot of boxes for my clothes and shoes. So I still haven't moved what I packed this morning, only because stuff went differently, but we do have the keys, so you know, in a second we're about to make a move to actually go to the house. Yeah, my grandparents was there earlier, but now we're about to actually make a move to like start moving stuff in once we get some more furniture in the U-Haul. So yeah, I will just see y'all then, because I look crusty. I'm looking, oh, can't lose this. I mean, I'm gonna sit this here, but yeah, I'm looking real crusty right now. Like, my edges have gone back to normal, and I don't have Carmex. Well, I don't know where I put it, moving all this stuff. So yeah, that's going great. Of course, Cute is here with an update. So I don't know like what I was expecting when it came to vlogging, you know, while moving, but you can't, you don't have time for the camera. So yeah, I literally just went ahead and got everything in my room, well, mostly everything, and I'm the only person here right now, but everybody else is on the way because like we're still trying to get last minute stuff. And once they get here, we're gonna start putting beds and stuff together so we can stay here tonight. And then I'm gonna put my clothes and stuff up, so of course I'm gonna bring y'all with me while we do that. Also, don't mind how I look. I look busted, no Carmex edges, like don't mind that. But I just undid the part that I just did to my bed. Great. But yeah, so this is what my room looks like now. Like no more wooden walls. This is what we got, but it's a little smaller than what I had before, so some of my stuff I had to give away or like put in storage. But I'm also going to play around with my room because, you know, once you start to like maneuver stuff, you find ways to put stuff that works for you. So I gotta figure that out. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the house. Oh, another thing too, like I'm on the ground because we're gonna get like different like ceiling fans and lights installed, so that's why you don't see, you know, any now. So I'm using my lamp, but we have to do that. And you know, I'm gonna get real fancy with it, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get me a nice one, install that. So for right now I'm just using my lamp. And yeah, let me just give y'all a little quick tour before it gets chaotic in here. I've seen what my room is looking like, y'all. I'm just I love these walls. It's the walls for me. This is leaving out of my room. Got the bathroom. Okay, this thing does not want to let me be great. Like it does not want to let me be great. But this is the bathroom, the master bedroom. I wish y'all could really see like what it's giving, like with the sunlight and stuff, but yeah. Then you have another bedroom. Walk out, y'all know that's the famous mirror. Living area. Listen, when it's sunny outside, y'all can see like, oh. And then the kitchen area. So right now, as I'm waiting for my granddad to get back so we can start working on my bed, I'm about to find my box with my hangers, and then I'm gonna start trying to figure out this clothing situation because my closet kind of downsized too. So I gotta like go through stuff and figure out, you know, like everything I'm keeping or I'm giving away, because the closet I had before was already not enough. So we gonna see, y'all. Or we gotta get some storage or something, because and the crazy thing is, like, I've been buying clothes throughout this process. Y'all know that I've been buying clothes, so we about to see. But like I said, I'm about to bring y'all with me, so let's get to unpacking, y'all. Ryan Little. And I've been gone for a little minute, but of course y'all know I've been working. But right now I'm about to go into AT&T. That's like I'm a mask on. I'm about to go into AT&T and I'm about to upgrade my phone and change my number period. I've been waiting to get my phone for the longest, and I had to order it online because I went in the store and she was like, because it's a combined bill, you can't pay it off. I don't know why in the store it was giving it an error, so I had to do it online and then pick it up. So now I'm at another location picking that up, and then I'm gonna talk to them about changing my number today because yeah, I had this number since what, 5th grade. That's sad. So this number, it's tied too much. Like we gotta let it go. So yeah, I'm about to go in there and do that, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all my new phone. Okay, so I'm in Target and I'm also trying to set up my phone, y'all, but I cannot find storage cubes the 6 inches in white. And yeah, I'm trying to look for some candles right now.
Yeah, I'll just go tomorrow and we'll go to the store for you tomorrow. Let me see. We got your, they got our chip pack.
This is why I don't vlog in the store. But I'm trying to find a candle that's kind of cheap.
Anything from the frozen section here, or like cheese.
I'm trying to find a candle that's a little cheap, but just for right now, because the one I have is still Christmas time. Which I mean, it's not bad, but like, kind of over that right now. So let's see. Let me show y'all. This is the little candle section right here, but I really don't know what I want. I'm really worried about this phone because I need to call customer service before 5 o'clock so I can change my number. If not, I gotta wait till Monday, but I want to change my number now. So yeah, it says about 2 more minutes transferring data from my other phone, which I didn't even know iPhones do that now. You can transfer all of your stuff from like the other phone to your new phone just by them being by each other. Did not know that. Apple is just like, if you don't have an iPhone, what are you doing? Let me stop. But yeah, that's where we are in life. I really need to go find a stand because I need to get rid of those boxes that my storage stuff is in, because I already threw my other stand away, y'all. So we gotta go find a stand. Let's go, because I can't. We gotta go find it. I want to hit these candles because I don't think I'm getting any of these candles. These candles are like, that's $10. I don't know. I really need to find a stand first. So we gonna go to let's see. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, they have the stand that I used to have in white, but I don't need a 3 cube, I need a 6 cube, and that's in black. Then they have an 8 cube. Like, I don't need that many, I just need something small. That's all that I need, something small. And then the Target brand, like, I feel like it's probably good, but I'm not spending $80 on that when I know the other one will do the same thing. Like, if I didn't know, maybe to try it out, but I know the other one will do the exact same thing. So no, I'm not doing that. Surprise, shawty. Okay, I'm back home now. So my trip to Target, my trip to Ross were pretty pointless. Didn't get a storage stand, did not get a CarMax, nothing. I just forgot, like, because being on the, well, trying to get this phone to transfer to the other one took forever. Talking on the phone with AT&T, trying to change my number, it took forever, but we did it. So yeah, the stuff I went for, like, I didn't even find. I was walking around in Ross on the phone, but I didn't find the stuff. So right now what I have to do is keep my stuff on a dresser. I'm probably just gonna end up ordering it from Amazon. I don't know where my packages are. I need to check the front porch, but I'm gonna have to order it from Amazon and yeah, go from there.
But they've gotta let us in.
Okay, y'all, of course it's a little choppy, but we are back again, just to give y'all another update.
When I get to the door, I'm just gonna take my top off.
Look, another update is my pillows came in. So the plan The plan is to do like, you know, the navy. Hold on, let me adjust the lighting. Okay, supposed to be like the navy blue, white and gold. This is supposed to go up on the wall. I have to order 2 more inserts for that pillow because I thought they like the inserts were bigger, but it's not. It's supposed to be like 2 in 1, so I gotta order more. That's gonna go up there, and then bed will be done. And then I need to order a new lamp. Yeah, order a new lamp, and then I need to order a stand. So when it comes to the stand, I'm actually just gonna get another 3 cube, or I don't know, I might get a 4, I don't know, but I am either gonna get a 3 or a 4. I'm gonna try to find it on Amazon because I don't know. Now I'm currently about to do some homework because I have 2 assignments that's due tonight, or and then tomorrow I have to work. I work Sunday, or tomorrow and Sunday, so I won't be vlogging, so this will be the end of the vlog. But I hope y'all enjoyed this weekly vlog. The next few will kind of be like room decorating theme because as y'all can see, like I've been out shopping. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Cute Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can do it together, period. And I'll see you guys in my next video.